Cut your fabric 2 inches by 20 inches. If using lightweight fabric, add a 1-inch strip of interfacing. Fold over the edges and iron. Fold again to encase the seams. Top stitch on either side of the belt loop. Cut 5 pieces at 3.5 inches. On the pants, mark the seam allowance and then a 1/2 inch below. Line up the belt loop and pin in place. Stitch the top of the belt loop, end on your 1/2 inch line. Next, attach the waistband. Fold up the belt loop and cut, leaving a 1/4 inch. Start at the center of the belt loop and sew back and forth to secure. Add a bar tack for extra stability.